Awesome, nigga. That's all you need to know. Hey, arrived in this world in like 95, but been 100 like 1 plus 99. Gotta grind so I can shine, that's bottom line. 99 problems so they yap a whole like 99. Plus one don't make a nigga bust some, and these niggas pussy bet they yap a fuck some. And hoes follow me like I'm carrying a compass, and my bitch got a strap like she Harriet Tubman. I'm too heavy for you niggas, this ain't carrying luggage. And don't start nothing, make your ass kick the bucket. We can fight it out, get the buck and the bus, and then it can go down anywhere. Don't give a fuck about the public. I don't give a fuck Miley Cyrus, nigga. You can't see me like a diary, nigga. I wish one of y'all niggas would fuck with the fam. Bullets gon' spread like a virus, nigga. Shoot you in your eye, now you a pirate, nigga. Man, I'm so high, I'm like a pilot, nigga. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all niggas. I'm doing me motherfucking smiling, nigga. Why y'all motherfucking niggas frowning, nigga? Bake a motherfucker like a brownie, nigga. All about my motherfucking paper, nigga. Act stupid, then I'ma get the clowning, nigga.